Today, we will see how to find HCF of 12, 18 and 24 using common division method or ladder method. Please follow the below steps to solve the problem. Step 1. Start dividing 12, 18 and 24 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides all three integers 12, 18 and 24 exactly, we get 6, 9 and 12. Again, start dividing 6, 9 and 12 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide all three integers 6, 9 and 12 exactly, we move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides all three integers 6, 9 and 12 exactly, we get 2, 3 and 4. Observe here, as per step 2, we should stop here since no other prime number can divide all the integers 2, 3 and 4 simultaneously. Got it? Step 3. Multiply all the common prime divisors. In this case, they are 2 and 3. Therefore, HCF of 12, 18 and 24 equals product of the common prime divisors. In this case, it is 2 multiplied by 3 gives you 6. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more details on HCF, please subscribe to my channel and watch the below playlist. Thank you.